Hello friend, today I am going to discuss the overhead cost variance. In my previous lectures, I have also discussed the material cost variance as well as labor cost variance. While the material cost variance is the direct material cost and labor cost variance is also related to the direct labor cost variance. Overhead cost has come in the indirect category and it is related to the period cost, so it is different from these two variance analysis. At first, we are going to see the chart of overhead cost variance. Overhead cost variance is divided into two parts. First one is the fixed overhead variance and second one is the variable overhead variance. Fixed overhead variance is further classified into two parts. One is the fixed overhead expenditure variance. It is also called the spending or budget variance. And second one is the fixed overhead volume variance. So fixed overhead volume variance may be further classified into three parts. That is the calendar variance, efficiency variance, and capacity variance. While the variable overhead cost is divided into two parts, one is called the variable overhead expenditure variance or budget variance, and second one is the variable overhead efficiency variance. First, I am going to discuss the variable overhead variance. Under this, we are discussing the variable overhead variance represents the difference between standard variable overhead specified for the actual unit produced and the actual variable overheads incurred can be computed using the formula variable overhead cost variance is equal to standard variable overhead on actual production minus actual variable overhead, or we may define it the variable overhead cost variance is equal to actual time or standard hours for the actual production into standard variable overhead rate minus actual overhead cost. Again, we have to discuss the where the standard variable overhead rate per unit or per hour is calculated. Budgeted overhead divided by the budgeted output or budgeted hours. Now we take the example to calculate the variable overhead cost variance, such as the budgeted production for the year is 5,000 unit, actual production is 4,600 unit, budgeted variable overhead is 1 lakh and actual variable overhead is rupees 93,000. For solving this, first we going to calculate the variable overhead rate per unit. As the formula, we have busted overhead divided by the busted production. Busted overhead is rupees 1 lakh and busted units of production is 5,000 units. Dividing this, we have got the rupees 20 per unit. Variable overhead variable overhead for actual production is equal to actual production into overhead standard overhead rate. Now solving this, variable overhead on actual production is equal to actual production into overhead rate. That is the 4,600 into 20 equal to 92,000. Variable overhead cost variance. Now we are going to put into the formula variable overhead cost variance is equal to standard variable overhead on actual production minus actual variable overhead or recovered variable overheads minus actual variable overheads. Here we have the standard variable overheads on actual production is rupees 92,000 and actual overhead that is you can take from the question, it is the rupees 93,000. uh, Now we have 92,000 minus 93,000, we have got the result rupees 1,000 unfavorable variance. Now we are going to discuss the subdivisions of the variable overheads, that is the variable overhead expenditure or budget variance, that is equal to standard variable overhead for actual time minus actual variable overheads, or standard variable overhead for actual time minus standard variable overhead rate per hour into actual hours. On the other hand, if we are going to discuss the variable overhead efficiency variance, we have the formula standard variable overheads on actual production minus standard variable overheads for actual time. Standard or busted variance overhead for actual time is calculated equal to standard overhead rate per hour into actual hours, and the standard variable overhead on actual production is calculated with the help of standard variable overhead per unit into actual output. Now we take the example to calculate these values. Calculate the variable overhead expenditure or budget variance, and variable overhead efficiency variance are from the following data. Standard hours per unit 3, variable overhead rate per hour rupees 2, actual variable overhead incurred 1,08,000, actual output 20,000 units, actual hours worked 56,000 hours. For solving, first we are solve the standard or budgeted variable overhead on actual time. Standard overhead rate into actual hours. The formula is to calculate the standard or budgeted variable overhead on actual time is equal to standard overhead rate into actual hours. Standard overhead rate for hourly is rupees 2 and actual hour is 56,000 hours, that is equal to 1,12,000. Standard, now we are going to calculate the standard variable overhead for actual output. First one is for the actual time and second one it is the for the actual output. Here also we take the formula standard variable overhead rate per unit. Here we have the formula standard variable overhead rate per hour. Here the per unit, that is the difference between these two formula, and here we have taken the actual hours, and in this formula we are taking the actual output. Now the per unit standard rate is rupees 3 and hours is 2 into the actual output is 20,000 units, means total cost is the standard variable overhead for actual output is equal to rupees 1,20,000. Now we are able to put all these into the formula. First we are going to calculate the variable overhead variance, that is the standard variable overhead minus actual variable overhead. Standard variable overhead is 1,20,000 and actual variable overhead is 1,08,000. Standard variable overhead is actually the standard variable overhead for actual output that we see the from the previous slide. That is the second from the second one formula, standard variable overhead for actual output, that is 1,20,000. Here solving this, we have got the standard expenses are 1,20,000 while the actual expenses are only 1,08,000. We have a rupees 12,000 favorable variance. Second one we have the we are going to calculate the variable overhead expenditure or budget variance. Budgeted or that is equal to the budgeted or standard variable overhead or actual time minus actual variable overhead. That again we are going to calculate from the first previous previous slide, as the standard budgeted overhead for actual time is standard overhead rate into actual hours, that is the 1,12,000. So here we are budgeted our standard variable overhead for actual time is 1,12,000 minus actual variable overhead, that is equal to 1,08,000. Again we have a figure of rupees 4,000 favorable variance. Now we are going to discuss the variable overhead efficiency variance. Under this we have a formula of variable overhead efficiency variance is equal to standard variable overhead on actual production minus standard over standard variable overhead for actual time. Both we are getting from the this table. It is the for the actual time it is 1,12,000, and for the actual output we have the 1,20,000, which we are putting in this formula to calculate the variable overhead efficiency variance is equal to 1,20,000 minus 1,12,000, that is the rupees 8,000 favorable variance. For the verification, if we see the variable overhead variance, that we have calculated the 12,000, while the expenditure variance we have calculated the 4,000, and the efficiency variance we have calculated the 8,000. As the formula tells the variable overhead is equal to variable overhead expenditure variance plus variable overhead efficiency variance, means variable overhead expenditure variance is 4,000 and variable overhead efficiency variance is 8,000, that is equal to 12,000 variable variance, that is here equal to the this amount, and we have cross verified the figure to get our result is correct. Now we are moving to discuss the fixed overhead variance. Here we have, before going to discuss the fixed overhead variance, some of the formulas which may we have to put in our mind. That is, first one is the standard overhead rate per unit or per hour or budgeted hour rate per unit is equal to budgeted overhead divided by budgeted output, or if we are going to calculate in the case of hours, the budgeted overhead divided by the budgeted hours, that bring us to the answer that we use in the future. Recovered or absorbed overheads is equal to the standard overhead rate per unit into actual output or standard overhead rate per hour into standard hours for actual output. Third one which we have to take in mind is the busted overheads. For busted hours or busted output is equal to standard overhead rate per unit into busted output units or standard overhead rate per hours into busted hours. Fourth one is the formula standard overheads for actual time or busted output in actual time is equal to the standard overhead rate per unit into standard output for actual time overhead or standard rate per hour into actual hours. The fifth one is the formula which we are using. The actual overheads is equal to actual overhead rate per unit into actual output or actual rate per hours into actual hours. Next one is the standard hours for actual output is equal to the busted hours divided by busted output into actual output. Standard out for actual time is equal to the busted output divided by busted hours into actual hours. Now we are capable to discuss the fixed overhead cost variance, that is such as the fixed overhead cost variance is the difference between standard overhead recovered or absorbed for actual output and the actual fixed overhead. Can be computed using the formula fixed overhead cost variance is equal to recovered or absorbed fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead, or actual output into standard overhead rate minus actual overhead rate into actual output. Now we are going to discuss the fixed overhead expenditure variance. Fixed overhead expenditure variance is the difference between actual expenditure and budgeted expenditure. Can be computed using the formula fixed overhead expenditure variance is equal to budgeted overhead minus actual overhead, or standard overhead rate into budgeted output minus actual overhead rate into actual output. For the discussion of fixed overhead volume variance, here fixed overhead volume variance is the difference between fixed overhead recovered on actual output and fixed overhead on budgeted output. It is the result of difference in volume of production multiplied by the standard rate. Can be computed using the formula fixed overhead volume variance is equal to recovered fixed overhead minus budgeted fixed overhead, or standard overhead rate into actual output minus standard overhead rate into budgeted output. Now we are going to discuss the fixed overhead efficiency variance. Fixed overhead efficiency variance is that portion of volume variance which arises due to difference between budgeted efficiency of production and actual efficiency attained. Can be computed by using the formula fixed overhead efficiency variance is equal to recovered fixed overhead minus standard fixed overhead, or standard fixed overhead rate into actual output minus standard overhead rate into standard output for actual time. Now we are going to discuss the fixed overhead capacity variance. Fixed overhead capacity variance is that portion of volume variance which arises due to difference between budgeted capacity specified and the actual capacity attained. It reveals whether the plants are over or underutilized. This variance may arise due to breakdown in machinery, idle time, failure, or power disturbance, etc. Can be computed by using the formula fixed overhead capacity variance is standard fixed overhead minus budgeted fixed overhead, or standard overhead rate into standard output for actual time minus standard overhead rate into budgeted output. Now we take the formula to calculate the fixed overhead, that is the normal capacity is 5000 hours, budgeted fixed overhead rate is rupees 10 per standard hour, actual level of capacity utilized is 4400 standard hours, actual fixed overhead rate is 52,000. For solving this fixed overhead, first we are going to calculate the fixed overhead cost variance, that is equal to recovered fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. Means first 44,000 is the actual recovered overhead, and means The units produced is 4,400 and the rate is 10. That brings us the 44,000 minus actual actual overhead is rupees 52,000. Means we have a adverse total fixed overhead cost variance of rupees 8,000. If we go to calculate the fixed overhead expenditure variance, it means the budgeted fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. Budgeted fixed overhead is equal to, we have to calculate the figure for the 5,000 hours, rupees 10 per hours means 50,000 and actual fixed overhead is 50,000. We have a figure of 2000 adverse variance. Fixed overhead volume variance is equal to recovered fixed overhead minus budgeted fixed overhead. Recovered fixed overhead is equal to 4,400 units produced and the bus- budgeted fixed overhead rate is 10 minus actual minus budgeted fixed overhead is 5,000 hours for 10, 50,000, that giving us the figure of rupees 6,000 adverse volume variance. Now we are moving towards discussion of the fixed overhead calendar variance. Fixed overhead calendar variance is that portion of capacity variance which arises due to difference between the number of working days anticipated in the budget period and the actual working days in the budget period. The number of working days in the budget are arrived at by dividing the number of annual days by 12, but the actual days of the month may be more or less than the standard days, and with the result, there may be calendar variance. Can be computed by using the formula fixed overhead calendar variance is equal to possible fixed overhead minus budgeted fixed overhead, or standard overhead rate per hour into possible hours minus standard rate per hour into budgeted hours. Fixed overhead revised capacity variance will be the remaining part of the capacity variance as reduced by calendar variance. Fixed overhead revised capacity variance is equal to standard fixed overhead minus possible fixed overhead. Now we are discussing the fixed overhead yield variance. Fixed overhead yield variance shows the gain or loss incurred by way of overhead cost, incidence or account of loss or wastage in production. Can be computed using the formula fixed overhead yield variance is equal to recovered fixed overhead minus expected fixed overhead. Here, expected fixed overhead is equal to standard overhead rate per hour into expected output. Expected output means output 1 on actual input after allowing standard loss. Now we take again new example to calculate the fixed overhead cost variances such as the cost. A cost accounted was given the following information for the month of February. Overhead cost variance is equal to rupees 1400 adverse. Overhead volume variance is equal to rupees 1000 adverse. Budgeted hours for February is 1200 hours. Budgeted overhead for February is rupees 6000. Actual rate of recovery of overhead is rupees 8 per hour. Compute overhead expenditure variance, actual overhead incurred, actual hours for actual production, overhead capacity variance, overhead efficiency variance, and in standards hours for actual production. First one, overhead expenditure variance is equal to overhead cost variance minus overhead volume variance. That is rupees 1400 adverse minus 1000 equal to rupees 400 adverse. Actual overhead incurred is equal to budgeted overhead minus over his overhead expenditure variance. Six, that is 6000 minus rupees 4000 adverse is equal to rupees 6400. Actual hours for actual production is equal to actual overhead incurred divided by the actual rate for recovery of overhead per hour. That is the 64,000 divided by 8 is equal to 800 hours. Overhead capacity variance is equal to standard overhead rate into actual hours minus busted hours. That is the standard overhead rate is 5, actual hours is 800 hours minus busted hours is 1200 hours equal to 2000 adverse. Standard overhead rate is busted overhead divided by the busted hours is equal to 6000 divided by 1200, that is equal to rupees 5 per hour. Next one is the overhead efficiency variance, that is equal to overhead volume variance minus overhead capacity variance equal to rupees 1000 adverse minus rupees 2000 adverse is equal to rupees 1000 adverse. Standard hours for actual production, standard hour for actual production is equal to volume variance is equal to standards overhead rate into standards hour for actual production. Busted hours are presumed to be X. For solving this, we have to take in the busted hours are presumed to be X, or 1000 adverse is equal to 5 standard rate into x minus 1200. Solving this, we get the value of x, that is 1000 hours, means standard hour for actual production is equal to 1000 hours. Now that's all of the overhead cost variance. If any of the questions you have, please go ahead, and thank you.